Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers on PS5. All right, let's begin. First, navigate to your PS5 settings and select Users and Accounts. From there, scroll down to Other and choose Restore Licenses. Select EA Sports FC26 from the list and click Restore, waiting a few seconds for the process to complete. Once finished, return to the main settings menu and enter the network section. Select settings and then set up internet connection. Highlight your active Wi-Fi network and press the options button on your controller to access advanced settings. Change your DNS, settings from automatic to manual. Enter 1.1.1.1 for the primary DNS and 8.4.4.8 for the secondary DNS. Click OK and allow the console to reconnect to the access point and the internet. These steps refresh your game permissions and optimize your connection path to the EA servers. Finally, relaunch FC26 to verify that the connection issue is resolved and you can access online features again. So that's basically how you can fix FC26 unable to connect to EA servers on PS5. That's it for this video. Thanks.